Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the retractable leg settings on your DREAME X50 Ultra. The legs can retract in order to pass some obstacles. To adjust the settings, you can click in three dots in top right corner, then a retractable leg settings, and you can set it to harder style obstacle crossing. You can see on the animation they will do it sequentially, and it's recommended for sliding door track scenarios. And you can also set it instead of that to Synchronize Dual Leg Obstacle, which is recommended for threshold areas, and the legs will retract simultaneously to cross the obstacles. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.